found my little bundle of chestnuts. It's me, Kate Winchester here, and what even is my sign? I try to do heart, but like double hearts, but it just looks like I have dinosaur claws.
Yeah, there we go. There's the heart.
Okay, well, I'm here with Summer, aka Silhouette Circle.
Hello.
She's a small bean. And and today we will be doing animal sounds, but making them sound like Pokemon. And yeah, so we're gonna do the real animal, what the name would be if it was a Pokemon, and then the sound, and then the sound if it were a Pokemon.
Doctor coming.
And then it's just another one of our friends.
Okay.
As long as she doesn't screw up the video and she does it with us.
Hey.
We're never gonna get this done. Okay.
We're only like a minute in.
And there's already a lot of fuckery.
Let's go.
Okay.
I want to.
So, and
do
we're
the
also
first animal.
and we're also gonna do like the movement of the real animal and the real Pokemon. Okay, walrus.
I don't know what the walrus sounds like.
Oh.
Walrus.
Walrus.
Like it's moaning like I want something.
No,
I want
it sounds
something.
No, walrus.
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 That's a baby one.
Walrus.
And his special power, he's like,
Okay, that was cute. All right, my animal. What's my animal?
Wallaby.
Wallaby. You have to say.
Wallaby.
You have to say it with the British accent. Wallaby.
It's in Australia.
I'm so
animal.
sorry if you.
hello, mate, wallaby.
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 How you doing, mate? I'm a wallaby.
Oh my god, I actually have
Hey,
an.
that's like a good pickup line for your girlfriend. Like,
How you doing, mate?
wanna be my girlfriend?
It's actually like there's actually an Australian who watches my videos, so I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry if you got offended. We didn't try to offend you. We just think your accent is so beautiful, and
Wanna be my friend?
Wallaby.
so I'm really sorry if you're offended. But
Nice to meet you. I'm a wallaby.
I'm so sorry. Okay,
You gotta
so,
deal with it.
Okay, your animal is a snake.
Snake. No. Let's go like this. Snake.
Snake.
Oh, and when a snake tries
Like
to
one
be
of those
something else,
evil,
right?
like,
Okay,
but
do
you
the
say like,
Wait. When a snake tries
Do
to
the
be something.
movement. Do the movement, like how a snake moves around.
snake.
Okay, now what would the name be if it were a Pokemon?
Yeah.
Snark.
Wait. When the snake tries to be something else. When a snake tries to be something else. Snake. Snack. I'm a
No,
snack.
it goes from snake, snark to snack.
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 I'm a noodle.
I'm a noodle. Snake.
Okay,
That's my
power.
power. To be a snack.
I want
I'm
a power. What's my power?
Wait, what?
My power.
Oh, for snake? Just eating.
I eat your face. I'm such a comedian.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
You, penguin.
Penguin.
Wait, I didn't hear pay in that. I heard penguin.
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 Okay,
Penguin.
now I get up and move like a penguin or an penguin. Now you have to get up and do it.
do it.
I don't want to do it.
I'll do it.
She
You do it? Okay,
I want
do
her to
it.
do it. I'm not
Do it!
What is going on?
Oh my god, these people watching these videos are just like, what the fuck?
Is this live?
No.
No, it's not
Okay,
live.
I was about to
We're only
freak out
3
like,
minutes in. No, 4 minutes in.
There are people staring at us like, what the fuck is going on?
No, they staring at us because we sexy.
Yeah.
Sorry boys, I'm taken.
Sorry,
Yeah,
boys,
yeah.
not
Same
into
here.
you.
I'm taking here too.
Bye.
Did you even hear
Wait,
me?
we're not leaving yet.
No. I'm just saying like,
No, she like bye, like see ya, not into ya. Okay, I'm not even into guys. So.
she's special. Okay.
Dude, I'm not.
All right, what other animals?
I
I want to pick my own.
didn't get to do one yet.
Oh, okay, then you go now.
You have to.
Monkey.
Monkey? Oh my god. Okay.
Oh my god, perfect one for this, but it'll be really loud.
Monkey.
No.
All right. Pick it up so I can move.
Monkey.
Okay. Pick it up so I can move around like a monkey. Monkey.
No.
That wasn't even a monkey. Though.
No.
Okay, wait. Hold on,
No.
Wait, no. You're the tree. You're
No.
the tree.
Wait, what?
You're the tree. Monkey.
Wait, keep
Okay.
This time.
Okay, I have to train.
Koala.
Koala.
I'm a koala.
I'm not eating it anymore.
Oh my god, no.
Okay, let's get the
That's
camera.
a blooper right there. That's a blooper.
Let's get that back. Wow.
Oh god, I'm flashing my phone.
That looks so wrong.
You just flash them. Hey, internet, look at me.
We're only like 5.5 minutes in.
I meant to do
Do
this.
crisscross. Do crisscross.
I meant to do this.
crisscross applesauce.
I forget that I'm a girl sometimes.
I'm gonna join you guys' video more often.
Yeah.
I forget that I'm a girl sometimes.
I don't count as a girl. I'm not a girl.
Yeah, he's trans.
Yeah, my name's Ryan.
Hi.
Okay, Ryan's cool. He's our bud.
I need to get that haircut I want.
Yeah, like up to like.
God, pull my eyes out while at it, gosh.
All right. Can I pick my animal now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Seal. Seal.
Oh my god,
What is my
YouTube.
existence?
one of my
Seal.
YouTube.
What
I'm
am
in the
I-
video. I'm Ryan. They count me as Ryan.
Hey, one of my recent
Her actual
videos.
name's Raylan.
No, it's not.
One of my older videos, I actually pretended to be a walrus, so I put my hood up and I went, help! And I fucking died of laughter.
Wait, whose turn is it now?
Yours.
Oh.
Yeah, I already did my own animal. It's the seal.
Why are you thinking it like that?
You
Do
pick.
I make an animal
Let's
for
just all
myself?
pick our own animals. Yeah.
Blobfish. Blobfish. Blurp. Blurp. My special power is sleeping.
Same.
That's like my special power every
All
day.
right.
Like,
What else? Oh, it's your turn.
Yeah, okay. A cat.
I can do purring though.
you want to hear my meow?
Meow.
Like trying to hit something.
When I see, hey look, no, wait, when I see my boyfriend walk by. Meow.
I'm telling him that. I am totally telling
No,
him
you
that.
will not.
I'm totally telling him that.
No, you're not gonna tell him that.
Can I do
Meow.
purring?
Yeah, sure did purring.
What was that face?
Meow.
Okay. Don't mess with my hair.
What are you talking about? My hair is
Wait,
always
wait,
messed
okay,
up.
wait.
No,
Film
mine
me.
here.
Film me walking around like a cat.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I gotta. Are there any rocks on my butt?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm done with life. This is the middle of school, guys. School.
Wait. I'm still walking around. Hold on a second.
That is okay. Yeah. This just got like. This is like 21 shades of cat. They just did 21 shades of cat.
Ow! I fell.
How was that 21 shades of cat movie?
I can do a perfect
Yeah.
cat hiss.
I got rocks on my elbow.
That's because you rocking.
Alright, so I'm back with my lunch pail.
Your lunch pill?
Yeah, my lunch pail. That's my lunch pail.
I never knew you took pills for lunch.
I said lunch pail.
You said pill.
Okay. We'll do two more animals each, and then yeah.
How long
my
is the
turn?
video?
It's her turn.
No, wait, I didn't do mine yet.
Oh yeah, so it's your turn.
Alright,
Bear. I'm a bear.
My dog's name's Bear.
Alright, how do bears walk?
No, I'm not doing it.
I'll do it.
Okay, she'll do it.
Bears be like, ready, go.
Where's the food? Bear.
I can't. Oh my god.
Yeah. Should I do my last one and then you two do it?
Yeah, go to your last one.
Bear. Bear. It goes like that. Fox.
Oh, so cute.
What is that?
It's a fox.
Fox.
Mine's
I kind of
like,
sound like Fennekin.
no, foxes laugh, so I'm like,
I sound
sound
kind of
like-
like Fennekin.
They sound like
doing
a
that.
deranged child. They sound like a deranged child laughing.
I am a deranged child.
Call me like that. I sound like Fennekin when I do the fox.
Yeah.
Fennekin.
Okay. I'm going.
You guys
to
want to hear
be-
Pikachu? Ready?
Pika.
Oh my god, that was so alike.
Wait, I want to try to do Sylveon. Sylveon.
God, that's so creepy. You gave me that look like you look like you like, let me have you in my closet.
No. If I want to do that, I'd be like this.
Okay. Mine is a dog. I'm a dog.
Wait, didn't you say we would only do
No,
two more?
wait, no. You have to be like this. I'm a dog. Meow.
Meow.
Really,
Beep
my-
beep. I'm a dog. I said beep beep. I'm a dog. Meow.
No, you're going. Meow, meow.
I'm a cow. I said meow meow. I'm a
no.
Beep beep. I'm a sheep. I said beep beep. I'm a sheep. Bah.
Beep beep. I'm a
Oh,
cat.
wait.
I said beep beep. I'm a cat.
Wait. If you
Meow.
want to do an animal noise for sheep, like sheep.
Guys, I
Sheep.
think we have to end the video.
Sheep.
Yeah, I'll do mine and then I'll end.
Wait, let's all do one.
Okay.
I got mine.
All right, me too. All right, ready? At the same time. Ready? Whoa!
Worm.
You're just like worm. Oh, worm.
I just got like wallaby.
And I said dog and she's just worm. Okay,
Alright.
now I have to move.
Let's end the video.
Bark, bark, bark,
Guys, that's not how you're supposed
bark,
to end a
bark,
video.
bark.
Ah!